Objective of this video is to understand how to install the TypeScript, write a Hello World program using the TypeScript, and also understand the transpilation. Well, installing TypeScript onto your machine is quite easy. You just have to type a simple command npm install -g is for global installation TypeScript, and if you want to install the latest version, @latest. This will install the TypeScript. Now you can see the package is added. Once the package is added, you will be able to find a command called tsc, and we can check its version. So the version of the TypeScript installer on my machine is 4.5.5. Now let's go and write a simple program in TypeScript with Hello World. So I have opened the editor here, that is Visual Studio Code, and in this one I have created a simple file. Now I'm going to write a program here. Let's save this file. So I have created a simple file and saved it with name hello.ts. Now I'm going to print the message that we are having. Now this file is a TypeScript file that we have created, but the browsers do not understand the TypeScript. They understand JavaScript. Hence, we need to transpile this code from TypeScript to JavaScript. And here is where a tool called Transpiler comes in. Well, a transpiler is nothing but a tool that converts source code from one language into a source code equivalent in another language. So in this case, we have TypeScript and we want to convert our code into JavaScript, and that we are going to do using the transpiler. Now, in order to execute the transpiler, we have to use a command called tsc. Now, coming back to the command prompt here, I'm going to simply execute a command that will help us to convert our TypeScript code into JavaScript. So I'm going to write tsc hello.ts. Once I execute this command, it will be executed, and you can see another file is created, hello.js. Now what this command has done, it has transpiled the TypeScript code into equivalent JavaScript code. See how this transpiled file looks like. On the left hand side we have the TS file, and on the right hand side we have the JS file. We have declared a variable using let, and that is then printed into console.log. Same way in the JavaScript, it is declared using var, that is the equivalent code of let, and printed using console.log. So this is how you can transpile your code using a simple command for TypeScript. Now coming back to the command prompt, here we are going to execute that hello.js that we created using a simple command node and hello.js. You can see hello world is executed. This is how you can create a TypeScript code, transpile the TypeScript code into a JavaScript, and execute it using the node.js. In future videos, we are going to see how we are going to use the TypeScript code into the HTML program. Now you must be wondering why I have gone back to TypeScript when we were working on Angular. Now the TypeScript is a core part of Angular. So in order to understand the Angular fully, you have to understand all the features that are present in TypeScript and are used in Angular. I hope you have understood this video. Do subscribe, and thank you.